Hello guys, today we are going to learn the Yum Package Manager, or we can learn the Red Hat Package Manager. Okay, inside the Red Hat Package Manager, Red Hat Package Manager. So in the Red Hat we have the two major tools which are the used for the manage the packages, RPM. Second one is the Yum. Okay, RPM is nothing but the Red Hat Package Manager. Red Hat Package Manager. Okay, Yum is nothing but the yellow dog updater modified. Yellow dog updater modified. This is the full form of the RPM and the Yum. So here is the major difference between the Yum and RPM is, if you are using the Yum package manager, when you are installing the any package using the Yum, so it will install the package with their dependency. For example, dependency means, for example, you are installing the A and A package needed the B package to be installed. Okay, so in this case, if you are using the Yum, it will automatically install the B first, then it will install the A. Means A is depends on the B. So Yum will automatically manage the dependency. If you are using the RPM, so RPM will not manage the any dependency. You have to manage those dependencies. Means you have to download the dependencies and you have to install the dependencies with your own. So because of that, most of the peoples not prefer the RPM. RPM also prefer some in some cases. So I will show that in the end of this video. Okay, how to install the packages and how to see the package information, how to see the installed packages. So this kind of information I will show in the end of the video. Okay, first we will manage the package management using the Yum. Okay, so if you are using the on-prem server, Red Hat server, so there you have to create the repository inside the your dump inside the etc yum dot repos dot d. Here inside this you have to create your one dump. So when you are install the your server, right, you have your CD or any DVD. With using that you are installing your OS inside the server. So there you have to copy the all the packages which are available inside your disk. Those you have to copy inside that and you have to create the one repository. Or now here I am using the AWS machine. Because of that I am not creating any repository. I will show how repository will be look like. Okay, cat, first we will go inside. I will become a root user, go inside the etc yum dot repos dot d. See here some of the repositories are created. Some of the repositories are enabled and some of the repositories are disabled. So I will show here one like red hat dot repo. So this is the repo. In this way you have to create your repositories. So here this repository is enabled. Okay, this is the GPG key. In this format you have to manage your own repository. Okay, clear. With using the Yum, we can install the packages, we can uninstall the packages, we can update the package, we can upgrade the packages. So using the Yum, we can do package management in the Red Hat server. Okay, let's see how to install the package in the Red Hat. I wanted to install the one package like httpd yum install, or package name is the httpd. So it is showing our package list. These are installing httpd, installing the dependency. Here see my package name, I am just giving the only httpd. It is managing the whole dependencies, right? So it is getting those all the dependencies, and with that dependency it will install our httpd. Here you can see installing 12 packages. just I had given the one package, but it has the 11 package dependency. So if we are using the RPM, we have to download these things, then we have to install these dependencies, then we have to install the HTTPD package, then only we can install. So because of that, we will use the M package manager. If it is asking you to, are you going to install or not? So I will press Y. So then my package HTTPD package will be installed in my server. Okay, so how you can see my package is installed or not? First, for that we have the systemctl command. Systemctl status of my package web server. Systemctl command is there for check the status. Systemctl, okay, sorry. Systemctl command will help you to see the status of your service. So my service is disabled. So for enable this, you have to use the systemctl enable your service name HTTPD. Now it is enabled. Now you can see the status. It is enabled, but it is not started. It is inactive. For start this service, you have to use the systemctl start HTTPD. Check the status now. Now it is active and enabled. So if you are installing any service kind of means daemon kind of thing using the yum, so you have to use the, for installing the package, you have to use the yum install your package name HTTPD. Okay, now you are installing the HTTPD here, but it is the daemon HTTPD. D means it is a daemon kind of service. Daemon is nothing but the background running process. Daemon is nothing but background running process. Running process. Okay. So if you are having the daemon, so you have to check that daemon status. It will not automatically enable. So for enable and disable the status, you have to use the systemctl command. Systemctl status your service name here. For example, my service name is the HTTPD. For example, you have the another service name like systemctl status. Your service name is, for example, VSFTPD. So whatever your service name is there, you have to check that status. Okay. If it is in the disable state, if you want to enable, why we enable that the state? Because if we are restart our server also, it automatically enable when our system boots up. So because of that, we will enable the service. So, for example, our system will, server will be sometimes shut down and it will start automatically. Whenever it start, our service also be started at that time. Means we will not every time monitor our service, right? So we will, if our server stop at the midnight, so we will not monitor each and every time when our server is rebooted, right? So because of that, we will enable that. Means whenever our server is rebooted, our service also automatically will start. For that, you have to enable the service. Systemctl enable HTTPD. For start the service, you have to use the systemctl start HTTPD. So here we use the service kind of package. Because of that, we are using these commands. If you are installing only normal command, no need to do systemctl, no need to run the any systemctl commands. Okay, for example, now I want to install the git yum install git. See here it is managing the so many dependencies here. So 67 packages are installing with the Git. This is not a service kind of package. So it automatically install and it's enable. Okay. Now I will check the version of the Git. So it is giving the Git version 2.39. So if you are using any normal, if you are installing any normal command, if you are installing any normal packages, you no need to check the service status, and you no need to enable, and you no need to start. Okay, if you are installing any service, means for the server kind of thing, or daemons, so then only you have to do the enable, check the status and start the service. Okay, now I will install another one package. For example, yum install tree. Tree is my package. So now here it is asking every time yes or no question, right? If I want to disable it, you can use the yum install our package name tree-y. So it will disable the asking the questions. It automatically install the package in our server. If you want to install, we have the syntax yum install our package name here. If you are using the service, you have to check the status, and you have to start your service manually. Okay, and if you want to start your service at the boot while booting our server, so you have to use the enable systemctl enable httpd. Okay, now if I want to remove my package, so how we can remove that? So you can use the yum remove, for example, tree. See, it is removing, right? If you want to disable that, just you can use the -y here. If you don't want to ask the questions, then you can use the -y. Okay, if it is removed, so it will nothing to do. It's we are not having anything, it is nothing to do, it is giving the message. Okay, if you want to list the packages, you can list yum list. It gives the all the packages which are available into the your server. Okay, now if you want to list the repository, you can use the yum repo list. It will give the all available repositories in your server. So now you can see it is giving the all repositories which are available into the our server. Okay, now you want to list the packages of some service, with package name. For example, vsftpd. So it will list the our package, available package into the server with the that name. For example, now I will list the yum list httpd. Just we are installed, right? Now you can see it is installing the available installed. It is installed. It is giving it is this package is installed. We are not installed this vsftpd, because of that it is giving the available. So if you want to list yum list installed all, it will give the all installed package into the your server. Now if you want to check some package is installed or not, then you can use the grep. For example, httpd, it is installed, right? So it is giving the which version of httpd has installed, and what are the depend all the httpd packages are installed inside the server. Those all the information is giving and listed. whatever the install the packages. If you want to list available packages, now you can use the list available packages. All available packages which are in the server for install, those all the list will be given by the yum list available. Okay. If you want to clean the cache, you can use the yum clean all yum repository cache. Okay. If you want to clean the yum repository cache, you can use the yum clean all. If you want to update some package, you can use the yum update. For example, I had installed the httpd. It is checking the updates, and if there is any update, so it will install. Otherwise, it is the latest package, then it will show the it is latest package. So here it is not installing because just we had installed that latest package has installed into the server. Because of that, it is not installed. If you are having any other latest packages, so it will install the automatically with using the yum update. If you want to see the information of your package, you can use a yum info your package name. So it will give the information about your package name. It is means if package is installed or not, what is the name of your package, version of your package. These all the information will be given by the yum info. Okay. So these are the important points in the yum command. If you want to get the more information about the yum command, you can use the man yum. So it will give the loads and loads option, or you can use the yum -help. Okay. So this way we can manage the packages using the yum. So we will see some rpm commands here. If you want to list the packages, all install the package, all packages inside the your server, you can use the rpm -q a, all list of the packages inside the server. Okay. If you want to list some specific package, for example, I want to list the vsftpd, or you can use the httpd. It is installed. Now it is giving, it will give the list of installed packages. Okay. In this way you can use the list. So if you want to install the package, you can use the rpm -ivh. I means interactive, V means verbose, H means in the hashing format, how much it will complete it. It will show that. For example, vsftpd. We are not having any RPM, but I will show you vsftpd. No such RPM. So you have to download the RPM format package, then you have to install using the rpm -ivh if you want to install the packages. So these are the some way how we can use the RPM. So here in this session, most important is the yum for installing the package, removing the package, update the package. If you want to upgrade, you can use the yum upgrade. It will upgrade a whole server packages. So in this way you can manage the whole package management using the yum command. So please practice this yum command. It will help you to manage the packages into the Red Hat. So this is the most important package manager in the Red Hat. Please go through this video practice again and again. Be familiar with these commands. These are the very helpful while handling the Red Hat server. So thank you for listening this session. If you like my video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.